In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple, powerful CRM in Smartsheet. If you've been looking for a fast way to organize contacts, track interactions, and manage relationships all in one place, you're in the right spot. We'll set up a fully functional CRM in just a few minutes, and I'll keep it friendly and beginner-friendly the whole way through. Start on the Smartsheet homepage. Look for the Create button or the plus sign, usually at the top left or top right. That's where everything begins. Instead of building from scratch, we're going to use Smartsheet's built-in templates to save time and get a polished foundation. After you click Create, choose Browse Templates or View All Templates. You'll see a catalog of options designed to make setup quick. Scroll until you find a CRM template. Sometimes it's labeled Personal CRM or Professional CRM. Open it, and you'll land on a ready-made workspace with sample contacts, a dashboard that visualizes your data, and a form you can use to add new entries without touching the sheet directly. Don't worry about the sample data you see. It's there as a guide to show you how information fits together. Think of it like mannequins in a storefront, useful for structure but not meant to stay. In this template, you'll typically find personal contacts, professional contacts, a CRM dashboard, a main CRM sheet, and a new contact form. That's everything you need to start managing relationships efficiently. Now it's time to personalize. Replace the sample contacts with your real data, either by typing over the placeholders or pasting in from your existing lists. Adjust the columns to track what matters most to you: follow-up dates, deal amounts, client birthdays, or any custom fields relevant to your workflow. Rename columns to be crystal clear, drag them to reorder, and set the appropriate types for dates, numbers, or text so your data stays clean and consistent. You can also tweak the dashboard to surface your priorities, like upcoming follow-ups or active deals, so the right insights are always front and center. Smartsheet's interface is forgiving, so if you make a change you don't love, just undo and try again. In a few minutes, you'll have a CRM that fits the way you work, whether you're organizing a team's pipeline or keeping your personal network on track. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, drop a comment with your CRM setup or questions, and subscribe for more step-by-step Smartsheet and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.